Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy USDT Tether coin on Binance. If this video will be helpful, make sure to subscribe to this channel, and I will also leave a $100 bonus sign up link in my description for you to check it out if you haven't signed up to Binance already. Now, once you are on Binance, to buy USDT, there's a few ways. The one would be to go ahead to the trade option in the middle, and from here you want to search for USDT. Now, as you can see, there is USDT with different kinds of fiats, but I wouldn't suggest to buy it here. You can also go ahead and click on convert, and from here, from some other coin, you want to convert to USDT. This is one option. So now, once you are on your Binance, you want to go ahead and click on wallets, and from here, you're gonna see an option. On crypto option, you're going to see an option buy. So we want to click on it, and you can buy with your currency or P2P trading. So if you choose buy with your currency, you can go ahead and choose USDT. Now USDT, you can buy and pay only with a spot wallet. And you can also, of course, deposit it from some other exchange. So these are the ways how you can buy USDT. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.